Welcome to day 28. Today I will be making this cute family ghost sign. You will need a black plaque with the pumpkin cutout, a pack of wooden ghosts, white paint, a foam brush, adhesive letters, ribbon, and your glue gun. Start by cutting out the names of your family members and the phrase "The Boo Crew" using your cutting machine or store-bought letters. Paint the ghosts white. You may need 1 to 2 coats. Glue a small piece of ribbon to the front of each ghost and add the name. Add the phrase to the top of the plaque. Now glue the ghost under the phrase. Add to your front door and this craft is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.